Now a new page in aviation history is about to be written with the introduction of ANA's new Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The innovation of ANA will continue with a widespread global network and the tradition of Japanese hospitality. A vision of the future. ANA. Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Japan's leading airline ANA has been involved in the development from the beginning on behalf of the airlines of the world. Now a new page in aviation history is about to be written with the introduction of ANA's new Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The innovation of ANA will continue with a widespread global network and the tradition of Japanese hospitality. A vision of the future. ANA.
From the country which brought you the world's most advanced technology, unique originality in modern design, and a world-renowned spirit of service, comes an extraordinary experience that will redefine air travel. ANA, Japan's premier airline, is the first in the world to launch the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Enjoy original designs and luxury on board, and signature hospitality inspired by centuries of philosophy.